Good morning, I'm Adrian Iligan, 18 years old from grade 12 ICT Torch. If I were given a chance to enter a college, it would be an honor for me to enter a college and as a student with a grades conscious it is easy to have a e-access 2G is a very useful. E-access 2G helped me to choose what I want to take course in college. So I choose teacher course in La Carlota City College. If I were given a chance to study in La Carlota City College, it is an honor for me to be given a chance to enter that high school because the quality of education there is very very good, and that's why i-access 2G nakabulig na sa akon sa pag-align sang akon nga path to college kag dako gid nga bulig para sa akon bilang isa ka estudyante nga may i-access 2G.